Hi, it's Francesca here at Mercedes-Benz South West. Today we're going to talk you through how to use Park Assist on MBUX. So to select your space, I'm going to press the Park Assist button on the top left side of the centre console. It's under the dynamic select button, and as I drive forward, the car will send out sensors to either side of the car to help select your parking space. As I drive past, it should pick it up on the MBUX system. On my screen, I'm going to select the parking space. It may give me the option to drive forward into the space or reverse. The car asks me to go into reverse, so I put my foot on the brake, push up the gear selector. The car is indicated for me. I'm going to let go of the steering wheel, take my foot off the brake, and the car does everything else for me. So obviously you can keep your foot hovered over the brake just in case you are worried, but I've used this system many times. It can make some strange noises on the brakes, don't panic, the car does know what it's doing. So this works in both bay parking spaces and parallel parking spaces. And on bay spaces you can go both forward and back. We'll pop it into park, and there we go. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content, and please comment below if you'd like to see anything else from our how-to guides.